Hello again. Our topic for today is solving equations using the addition principle of equality. Let's see what our helpful hint has to say. When you solve equations, consider the following. Did you simplify each side before you began the process to solve? Did you use the correct principle? Did you remember that whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side? Did you take the time to double check your calculations and plus and minus signs? Let's look at our problem now. We're solving the equation. I like to circle the equal sign. First of all, we can see it's the equation. We can see what the left side is and the right side. The first thing we want to do before we begin solving is to simplify each side. So we have 3x minus 2x gives us an x minus 7. Copy down the equal sign. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5. Now this is the equation we're going to solve. It's simplified on the left and on the right. Now our next step is to say to ourselves, what do we need to do to get x all by itself? What principle do we need to use to do that? In order to get x all by itself on this side of the equation, we see we can add 7. But we must add 7 to both sides of the equation. When we add a negative 7 and 7, we have 0. So we have x plus 0 on this side, and we have 12 on that side. After a while, you may be able to skip the step of writing down the 0, but if you need to do that to be sure you use the correct principle, then do so. Also make sure you do it on the other side of the equation. Our final answer is x equals 12. So when you go to solve an equation, be sure to simplify the left side, then the right side, use the correct principle, and add the same number to both sides of the equation.